Did you know that Twitch has a brand new Twitch clip editor and sharing system? I didn't know either until I started playing around with Twitch featured clips. Now, the system is bare bones, but let me tell you, it's highly effective and easy to use. And allow me to show you how to use it by the end of this video. Let's just say you finished streaming for the day and it was an awesome stream and you and your mods and community made some awesome clips that you want to share on short form content platforms. You first want to log into your Twitch channel and go to your creative dashboard. Underneath content, click on clips. Here is your clip library. I recommend sorting by your newest or created by, so that way you get clips from your brand new stream. Now, I highly recommend if there are any clips that were clipped by mods or viewers that you preview them first, because sometimes people don't have your best interest in mind, and if it shows anything in a negative light or a copyright strike, I recommend just deleting it so there's no problems. But once you've previewed and found the clips that you like, all you need to do is just tick right on it. Here, you will see a bunch of options, including you can just share the link directly to the clip if you want to do it that way. But if you want to share to short form content platforms like TikTok or Instagram Reels or even YouTube Shorts, you want to click on this brand new purple button that says Edit and Share Clip. On this screen here, you get two options on the left navigation bar to represent the content for short form. You have a split screen and you have a full screen. Generally, split screen is for when you want to show your face cam and the content, and full screen is just for the content, but you pick and choose what will be best represented for the content that you want to show off. Now, over on the right hand side where the canvas is where you're allowed to make edits and changes. Now you're going to get two freeform boxes. One's horizontal and one is vertical. Generally, the horizontal box is for your face cam and the vertical box is for the content you want to show off. But again, you can pick and choose what you want to show and how you want to scale and size it. Once you've placed the boxes where you want to show off, all you need to do is just preview on the left side here. Watch it loop once or twice so that way you know exactly what you have. When you're happy, you can move on to the next purple box in the lower right hand corner. On this page here, you will see a preview of the clip that is currently rendering. In the top right corner are the integrations that are currently on Twitch. At the moment, it's only YouTube. Feel free to connect it to make things more seamless. Hopefully, if this catches on, they'll integrate TikTok and Instagram. And in the bottom right-hand corner is where you get to see your video rendering. When it's all done rendering, you can click on the big purple download clip button to download your clip. And that's pretty much it, but you're not done here. When it comes to actually utilizing and getting your short form content to have really good reach, I highly recommend you add captions to your video, because a great number of people watching short form content aren't listening with sound. So they look at the words on top of the content, which means you need to put captions on it. And that's what our next video is going to be about: how to easily integrate captions on top of your game clips or any clips that you generate that you want to share on short form websites. So I recommend you go down below and smash that subscribe button. And hey, while you're down there, leave me a comment and put a like on this video. If you want to use other editors for your gaming clips, I'm going to stick a video over to the side that shows you how to use that platform. Plus it comes with a few more features if you want to be fancy, and another video that goes over Twitch featured clips, so that way you can get ahead of the game to get more discovered on a platform like Twitch. Wild wishing you the best of luck with your brand new edited Twitch clips, and I will see you later. Take care, and of course, peace.